ENPAC's aluminum L-Bracket berms are essential when safety, compliance, and performance matter most, keeping sites free from hazardous spills and leaks. All ENPAC berms are proudly manufactured in the USA using chemical-resistant material built to handle the toughest jobs. Setup is quick and easy. Simply unfold the berm and insert each aluminum bracket into the berm pockets, continuing until all brackets are in place. For vehicle access, remove the end brackets and fold the sidewalls down. The heavy-duty fabric allows vehicles to drive in and out smoothly, maintaining long-lasting durability for repeated usage. Accessories like ground pad and track mat are recommended for additional protection for long-term use. For durable, on-site portable containment, check out ENPAC's wide range of industrial berms, keeping you safe, compliant, and on schedule.